Consider the possibility that NASA's newest rover discovered extraterrestrial life in the form of bacteria on Mars. While this may sound like incredible news, it also raises a troubling possibility. The discovery of alien life could mean the end of humanity. Life's progression is frequently compared to a flight of stairs, with each step representing a higher level of complexity and ability to utilize energy. But what happens when a species achieves dominance or reaches the top of the staircase? Life, as we know it, strives to fill every available space because planets have a limited carrying capacity and lifespan. If a species wants to survive, it will seek out new areas to spread to. The next step in the staircase will always be colonization. First, colonize the home planet's solar system, then spread further to reach its nearest exoplanets, and then, eventually become a galaxy-wide civilization. However, we know that the Milky Way contains up to 500 billion planets, at least 10 billion of which are Earth-like. Despite this, we have found 0 galactic civilizations. Space appears to be devoid of life. This means that something is preventing living things from progressing past the current step on the staircase. Something which makes becoming a galactic civilization difficult, if not impossible. This is known as the Great Filter. There are 2 possibilities for this filter. 1. We are extremely unique and fortunate to be the first species to reach our stage of evolution. Or 2. That all civilizations will inevitably perish. While the discovery of alien life is exciting, it also suggests that the Great Filter is ahead of us. It implies that we are not unique and that all civilizations will perish at some point. It's possible that getting to the next step on the staircase is too difficult, or that we haven't yet encountered some kind of environmental or technological disaster. The concept of the Great Filter is sobering. It raises concerns about our species' future and serves as a reminder that we must continue to explore, innovate, and understand our place in the universe. In our best-case scenario, Mars is a barren wasteland and the universe is full of planets to colonize.